Hello students, good morning. Welcome back to our online class with Best English School. I hope you all are fit and fine and doing your homework daily. So today in 4th standard we are going with English subject. In English we are going to start our new lesson Unit 7. In this lesson, first of all, we will see our poem. Its name is A Watering Rhyme. Let's see. Everyone, please open your textbook. So easily you can see this poem in your textbook. Its title is A Watering Rhyme. Let's read. Early in the morning or the evening hour are the times to water every kind of flower. Watering at noonday when the sun is high doesn't help the flowers, only makes them die. Also, when you water at the roots, flowers keep their mouths where we should wear our boots. Soak the earth around them, then throw all the heat. The flowers will have water for their thirsty feet. So, in this poem, you can see there is a talk about the flower and its watering. जो फ्लावर्स होते हैं हमें उनको पानी कब देना चाहिए, किस तरह से देना चाहिए, क्यों देना चाहिए, यह इस पोएम में बताया गया है. हमें कब देना चाहिए पानी? मॉर्निंग एंड इवनिंग, दोनों टाइम. क्यों? क्योंकि जब नून होता है तब हम पानी नहीं दे सकते, तब सन की जो सनलाइट होती है वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा हाई होती है. इससे क्या होते हैं, फ्लावर को पानी पीना नहीं मिलता और वो बेचारे मर जाते हैं. तो हमें वाटर कब करना चाहिए? वाटरिंग मॉर्निंग एंड इवनिंग. यू कैन सी इन दिस पिक्चर देयर इज़ अ वन चाइल्ड हु इज़ वाटरिंग द प्लांट. उसके बाद हमें वाटर कहाँ पे डालना चाहिए? रूट्स में, यानी जो रूट वाला भाग होता है, ज़मीन वाला भाग, वहाँ पे. क्यों? क्योंकि फ्लावर को जो माउथ होता है वो पानी कहाँ से पीते हैं? रूट से ही पीते हैं. जिस तरह से हम हमारे शूज़ पहनते हैं ना, उस जगह से. उसके बाद क्या होता है, हमें सारी गर्मी हटा के उनको 360 फीट उन्हें पानी देना चाहिए. सो लेट्स रीड अगेन. अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग और द इवनिंग आवर are the times to water every kind of flower. Watering at noonday when the sun is high doesn't help the flowers, only makes them die. Also, when you water at the roots, flowers keep their mouths where we should wear our boots. Soak the earth around them, then throw all the heat. The flowers will have water for their thirsty feet. सो अब से आपके घर में भी फ्लावर होंगे, प्लांट होंगे ना छोटे छोटे, तो आपको भी मॉर्निंग और इवनिंग में फ्लावर को वाटरिंग करना है. ठीक है, एवरीवन हैव टू डू इट. न्यू वर्ड्स. हावर, HOUR, वाटरिंग, WATERING, वाटरिंग. नूनडे, NOONDAY, बूट्स, BOOTS, सॉक, SOAK, heat, HEAT. Now let's find the rhyming word. Water, flower. Then root, boot, ROOT, root, BOOT, boot. Heat, feet, HEAT, heat, FEET, feet. So it's the rhyming word. Okay, now take your notebook, open the new page, write down today's date and day, then unit 7 poem A Watering Rhyme. After it you have to write this poem, then these new words. Okay, then we will go with the question answer of the poem. So first of all, write down this poem and new words in your notebook with good handwriting. Okay, write down. Now come to the question answer of the poem. Number 1 is, what is the best time to water the plants? What is the best time to water the plants? Answer is, early in the morning and evening are the best times to water the plants. Again, early in the morning and evening are the best times to water the plants. Then number 2, when should we not water the plants? When should we not water the plants? Answer is, we should not water the plants during the midday. We should not water the plants during the midday. Which part of the plant should be watered? Which part of the plant should be watered? Answer is, the roots of the plant should be watered. The roots of the plant should be watered. Then, place letter in the right order to form the names of the flowers. Number 1 is sweet pea, SWEETPEA. Second one is marigold, MARIGOLD. Jasmine, JASMINE. Lotus, LOTUS. Mogra, MOGRA. Dahiya, DAHILA. Phlox, PHLOX. Pansy, PANSY. Hibiscus, HIBICUS. सो यहाँ आपको जो अरेंज करना था, वर्ड्स को अरेंज करना था किस में, सॉरी अल्फ़ाबेट को अरेंज करना था फ्लावर्स के नेम में. ओके, डू यू हैव अ गार्डन? Yes, I have a garden. If you don't have, then you have to write, no, I haven't a garden. Then, name some flowers which grow in your garden or near your house. So, rose, marigold, jasmine, lotus, etc. ROSE, rose. MARIGOLD, marigold. Jasmine, JASMINE, jasmine. Lotus, LOTUS. Then give another word for thirsty feet. Roots, ROOTS. Then what happens when we water plants in the morning? They will grow well. They will grow well. From where do flowers get water? From the bottom. Write rhyming words from the words given below. Morning, evening. Car, bar. High, fly. Boots, roots. Hit, beat. Where? Here. Again, morning, evening. Car, bar. High, fly. Boots, roots. Hit, beat. Where? Here. Then words like morning, evening, watering and in ing, write 6 more words to which ing can be added at the end to form a new word. देखो आपको क्या करना है, 6 न्यू वर्ड लिखने हैं कि जिसके पीछे हम ing ऐड कर सकते हैं. जैसे कि प्ले, प्लेइंग. जंप, जंपिंग. सिंग, सिंगिंग. लाफ, laughing. Go, going. Cook, cooking. PLAYING, playing. Jump, JUMPING, jumping. Sing, SINGING, singing. Laugh, LAUGHING, laughing. Going, GOING, cook, cooking. COOKING. Okay? Look for words in the poem which sound like the words given below. R, there, where. Flower, floor. Where. Sun, sun. Through, through. Then in this sentence below the capital letters comma, full stop and question mark are missing. Put this correct place. On Monday I will go to school. So in this sentence first letter will be capital. O is capital. After Monday we will put comma and end of the sentence we will put full stop. So on Monday I will go to school. Then Rahim, Ravi and Raju are going to see the circus. Rahim is a name, so first letter will be capital. Then Ravi is also name and Raju is also name. So तो हम ये तीनों में जो है वो फर्स्ट लेटर कैसा लिखेंगे? कैपिटल. देन आर गोइंग टू सी दी सर्कस एंड एंड ऑफ द सेंटेंस वी विल पुट फुल स्टॉप. सो रहीम कॉमा रवि एंड राजू आर गोइंग टू सी द सर्कस एंड फुल स्टॉप. सीता, वेयर आर यू लुकिंग? So Sita is a name, so first letter will be capital, S will be capital, after it comma, then where are you looking? It is a question, so we will put question mark of the end of the sentence. Sita, where are you looking? Then the tailor went to the market, Mr. Singh. The first letter will be capital, T will be capital, then market कॉमा एंड मिस्टर सिंह में एम कैसा होगा? कैपिटल. एंड एंड ऑफ द सेंटेंस वी विल पुट फुल स्टॉप. एवरी संडे आई गो फॉर अ वॉक, हैव ब्रेकफास्ट, रीड स्टोरी बुक्स, लिसन टू म्यूजिक एंड वॉच टेलीविजन. सो मैनी थिंग्स इन दिस सेंटेंस, सो वी विल पुट कॉमा आफ्टर एवरी एक्टिविटी. एवरी संडे, E is capital. Sunday, after Sunday we will put comma. Then I is capital. Go for a walk, comma, have breakfast, comma, read story books, comma, listen to music and watch television. Lakshmi, why are you crying? L will capital, after it comma, why are you crying? And here is a question mark. Oranges, mangoes, bananas and papayas are fruits. Orange में O कैसा होगा? Capital. Then afterwards, after fruits name we will put comma and last in full stop. So it's a question answer of the poem. You have to write this in your notebook and learn it. Okay, let's read again quickly. Number 1 is, what is the best time to water the plants? Early in the morning and evening are the best times to water the plants. When should we not water the plants? We should not water the plants during the midday. Which part of the plant should be watered? The roots of the plant should be watered. Okay? So write this in your notebook and learn. In next lecture, we will go with the story of our lesson. Bye. Have a nice day.